Hi everyone, welcome back. We will continue with lesson 1 of module 3. This is cell formatting. Alright, so we previously we have done font formatting. We are now going to go into cell formatting. So font formatting, we are just focusing on the font itself, what you type. Alright, but cell formatting is the entire cell as a whole. Okay, so for example, all right, we may want to add borders. Okay, so you can see here there is borders. All right, so normally we will select the entire table before we go edit the border. Or I miss out the head 13, 14, and 15. So yeah, typically what would be recommended is you start from the bottom left side and then you pull up to the top right side. That way you normally in a typical table you'll be able to cover almost everything, okay, and not miss out a single column or a row, right? Okay, so back to the fonts. Okay, I mean to the cells. All right, so we can change the table. So typically we will use all borders, and you can see each individual cell would have a border. All right, we could also we could also have the thick outside border. All right, so if we click on that, you will see that there will be a outside border that is thicker. Now these are all the general setting, the fixed setting. Okay, what you can do, all right, if you want more detailed setting, you can click on more borders. Okay, so it will lead you to here where you can actually change the style. All right, so let's say for example I want it to be dash line at this part, so all the bottom one will be dash line. Okay, hold on, maybe I should select everything at once. Okay, so the reason why is that if I don't select everything at once, let's say for example if I just select this portion and then I go to more borders, they will only show me the preview for that particular cell that I have selected. But if I select everything, okay, then more borders, they will show me this one. Okay, so this one would indicate that this is on the outer edge of the table, whereas this is on the inner edge. So let's say I want dash line to be on the inner edge. So if I select this dash line, I'll just select which one. We want the horizontal one or the vertical one. So let's make it different. Horizontal one will be this dash line, and maybe the vertical one will be the dotted one. Okay, this is not so obvious. Maybe this one. All right, and then you just press OK. And there you go. You see that the horizontal line in the inner part will be dash, whereas the outer edge remains the original solid line, right? We can also see that the vertical lines has become dotted. All right, so you can play around with this on your own, and then you'll be able to figure out all the different types. Okay, we can also have this these functions here. Normally I would not recommend using these functions here, but if you want to do some more focus editing, this would be very good. Okay, because it will allow you to draw specific borders to a specific style. All right, so you can have line colors, line styles here to quickly edit, but I would normally recommend you go to more borders. Okay, we can also change the color. All right, so let's say if I want it to be red. Okay, and let's say I just want the solid line outside to be red, or maybe just the vertical one. All right, so I will just select that and I press OK. And yeah, oh, you can't see on this end, but you should be able to see on this end, right? It's only the vertical columns, vertical lines that is red, the only the outer border edge. Okay. One last thing is the other than the styles, the color, is that you have the presets. So all of this you can actually select it. So in case like you don't seem to be able to select it nicely in the middle, okay, you can use this portion to assist you. Okay, so that is all for cell formatting board for the border. One last thing would be the cell color itself. You can use fill color, just to select a specific color for within the cell itself. All right, that is all. Thank you.